The third one, the third type of determining velocities in the canal, third type, Chassis equation or Chassis formula. Okay, V equals C root RS. V equals C square root capital R capital S, right? Where C equals Chassis constant. Chassis constant, that is a constant. That is a figure. Later I will be given. K is constant. K is also, sorry, V, V velocity. C is constant. R is also a constant. R is AOP. A means area. R, right? Here R. This to be R. R equals A over P. A means area of the cross section of the canal. A is area of the cross section of canal. P is wetted perimeter, in Sinhala Temunu Parimitiya, right? Temunu Parimitiya means Temicha Vate Diga, wetted perimeter. Temunu Parimitiya, right? Wetted by water. Here only wetted, right? Wetted perimeter, Temunu Parimitiya. R equals A by P. R equals A by P. Okay. S is the Patule Anatiya. S is the shape of the canal. It is just like this. S Patule Anatiya. Then V equals C square root RS. V velocity. C is Chassis constant. R is A by P. You know A is this. P is this distance. P is this distance, right? R is A by P. S is the slope of the canal. Slope of the canal, right? Given like 1 of, just like this is slope. Okay, right. This is the third method. This is also very important, right? Q equals V, right? This is well known and very important. You want to learn by heart this one. Okay, the Chassis formula. The fourth one in determining velocities in canals, right? Manning's formula. This is also very important. This is also very important, well known one. You want to know, you want to learn by heart, or you want to concentrate in your mind, you want to get in mind. V equals 1 over N R into 2 by 3 S into 1 by 2, right? This square root, this 2 by 3, right? V equals 1 over N R. R, you know, R is equal A by P. R equals A by P. Here I have given here in the form 1. R is A by P into 2 over 3. S is the slope here also is 1 over 2. N is the Manning's constant. It is to be given, right? It is to be given, otherwise we can't do the sums, right? V velocity, this is constant. Normally they have given in sums, they want to give, otherwise we can't do the sum. R, you know, this R. OR equals A by P. A is area, P is wetted perimeter, into 2 by 3. S is the slope of the canal, into square root, S is square root of 1 by 2. Okay. Then we can write this in other form. Q equals C by N means we can apply this equation. Q equals V, then V equals Q by A. V equals Q by A, right? V equals Q by A. From equation 1, V equals Q by A. Then applying here, V equals Q by A is there now. Q equals AON R into 2 by 3 S into 1 by 2, right? Okay, this is the Manning's formula. This is also very popular. This is also very well-known formula. There are 4 formulas to determine the velocity in a canal, right? There are 4 methods you want to get in your minds, right? Very important. This and these are very important and well known. Always ask this, right? Then 1, 3 and 4 has to be taken in your mind and concentrate. This normally not so, but you want to know to get this equation. Okay, it's okay. That's all, right?